Describe a member of your family. Student Jose Armando Mendez Ramirez. Integrative Activity 1. UA 63D. English 3. This is my father, Efren Mendez Gomez. My dad is very passionate. He works in a company. He is a forklift operator. He is very humble, responsible, and hardworking. In his free time, repairs any kind of thing. Is very skillful with the hands. My dad drives his car every day. He likes to drive fast but reliable. With my mom and my brothers, he is tolerant and diverted. He is incredible.